Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand for this mega top summit prep tables. Let me give you the overall sizes first. For this unit's entire length, about like a 72.5 inches long. And the overall height of the unit is about like a 46.5 inches tall. And the depth of the unit is about like a 34.5 inches deep. For the cutting board, it's 9 inches deep and same as the 72.5 inches long. So as we can see, the unit have a two top plates. When we opened it, we found they have containers inside. And also at the bottom, we can see they have three open doors. They all soft close. And the bottom have the wheels. On the behind of the units, they come with the controllers, compressors at the bottoms, and also have a standard of 110 plugs. Let me give you the measurement for the inner side. For the depth of the unit, it's about like a 21 inches. And the clearance height is about like 23.5 inches tall. Overall wide about like a 68 inches wide. We can take a look closer to see the container space. As we can see, they have two split sections. And for this area, on the left hand, they come in about like a 39 inches wide. About 21.5 inches deep. So on this side, we're having about like 18 containers inside. And the other hands, we have about like 12 containers. And the right hand side is about like 26 inches wide. And 21.5 inches deep too. For these containers, they all come in with the NSF information on it. And the overall sizes about like 6.5 inches wide and 7 inches long and 6 inches deep. And for all the sticks, you can move it to adjust the space if you want to change the container size by yourself. This will be the all demonstration information about our products, the 72 inches mega top prep tables. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.